Hello, time to take a look at the forecast across Europe for the next few days. And it's been very wet across parts of Germany, Austria, northern Italy in the past few days. In fact, Vienna saw 100 millimetres of rain in just 24 hours. 80 millimetres of that fell in just 12 hours, all underneath this area of cloud, which will be slowly working its way eastwards through Monday. So still some further heavy rain for the far north of Italy, into the Balkans. As we head further west, we'll keep a fair amount of cloud behind those showers, but also some spells of sunshine coming through. The sunshine continues across Turkey, Cyprus, into Greece and the Greek islands. As I mentioned, some showers for the far north of Italy. Further south, it should be dry. I might see a few showers developing across the Pyrenees and also perhaps far north of Portugal and Spain as we go into Monday. And slowly, the high temperatures we've been seeing here recently will start to ease down as the winds pick up a more northerly component. A lot of cloud draped across much of the British Isles through Monday. Any rain on it tending to weaken as it moves its way south and eastwards. As we go into Tuesday, you can see by this stage, the showers are now over Eastern Europe, again still heavy and in places thundering. We're starting to see something drier across Germany, Austria, into Italy, but again still those showers affecting parts of the Pyrenees and maybe the far north of Portugal and Spain. It's a lot of dry weather actually for London and Paris through this week. Temperatures around about where they should be for the time of year, maybe slightly lower. Plenty of sunshine in Madrid. Those temperatures slowly starting to come down. It looks like after a dry start in Berlin, those showers will return through Thursday and Friday. Bye-bye. Hello, we've seen some very heavy rain through parts of the US Midwest and the plains this week. Some severe flooding for the likes of Minnesota and Wisconsin, for example. Here's the earlier satellite picture, and you can see the large area of cloud associated with this heavy rainfall. And this whole system has become quite slow moving to the south and west of the Great Lakes, so more rain to come here over the next few days. This area of high pressure along the eastern seaboard means the showers become fewer and further between, but plenty of heavy thundery showers through our Gulf states affecting eastern parts of Texas into Louisiana and across into Florida. Some more heavy rain to come here over the next few days. Fairly cool, showery feel across Alaska into British Columbia and Alberta. Head further south across British Columbia, more in the way of sunshine, which then extends down the west coast. It stays dry, plenty of sunshine, no respite from the heat across California or to bring any relief from the wildfires there. So here's our city forecast over the next few days. Mainly dry with some spells of sunshine in Vancouver, Seattle, San Francisco and also Los Angeles. Let's look over to the eastern side where you can see those showers pushing their way out of the Great Lakes into eastern parts of Canada, scattering of showers down the eastern seaboard, but also some good spells of sunshine. So temperatures starting to rise again here over the next few days. You can see a very humid, unsettled feel down into Florida and across into our Gulf states as well. So further heavy thundery showers, high humidity, and those temperatures though on the rise again over the next few days. Hello, we'll get the forecast for Central America and the Caribbean in just a moment's time. First, to South America, the bigger picture, the earlier satellite picture, this strip of cloud still affecting the far southeast of Brazil into Uruguay, also northern parts of Argentina. Some clouds, some outbreaks of rain on this, but it's also a dividing line between some fairly cool air behind it, something much warmer ahead of it. Slowly, that cooler air will nudge its way northwards over the next few days. Plenty of showers getting going across Ecuador, Venezuela, Colombia. A lot of dry weather across much of Brazil and plenty of sunshine too, just partly cloudy at times along the coast. But notice as we head down towards the far southeast of Brazil and into Argentina, we've got more in the way of clouds, some outbreaks of rain, that extending into Uruguay as well, and fairly unsettled across much of Chile, particularly the southern half of the country. More clouds, some outbreaks of rain, some snow over the mountains. So something a little bit cooler in Rio for the early part of next week before the temperatures start to recover again through Thursday and Friday. Plenty of sunshine in Buenos Aires. There'll be a few showers dotted around across parts of Mexico, down in towards Belize and towards Honduras, Guatemala and into Costa Rica and Panama. Should be fewer showers around for Jamaica and Hispaniola, but can't rule out a few showers affecting Cuba through Sunday afternoon. In between some sunshine, helping temperatures up to 31 or 32 Celsius. So here's our city forecast over the next few days. The sunshine continues in Kingston. It should become mainly dry in San Salvador. Hello, we'll get the forecast for Australia and New Zealand in just a moment's time. First, let's talk about Typhoon JB. We can see it here very clearly on the satellite picture. This swirl of cloud barreling its way towards Japan. Now ahead of it, we've already had quite a lot of rain across parts of Japan. Honshu, for example, has had a couple of 100 millimetres in recent days. So there's more rain to add on to those totals, some strong winds as well. We're likely to see some disruptions, certainly some landslides in places. Across southern parts of Korea, there's more heavy rain to come, also through southern areas of China as well. Guangdong province has been inundated with rain recently. A mixture of sunshine and showers across Laos, Vietnam, Thailand, into Cambodia. Fewer showers as we head further south across Malaysia and Indonesia, but more heavy rain for the Philippines. Here's our city forecast over the next few days, mainly dry in Beijing with some sunshine, keeping an eye on the potential impacts from Typhoon JB in Japan. Across to Australia, or actually for much of Australia, it's fairly quiet, fairly cool, chilly and frosty nights, particularly through Victoria, New South Wales, but parts of New South Wales and also Queensland seeing a few showers, but especially on and near the coast. But it's as we head across to New Zealand, a fairly complex area of low pressure remaining here over the next few days. So that's going to bring further heavy rain, some strong winds and some snow, not just over the mountains, but even at lower levels on the South Island. So it's looking fairly unsettled across Wellington as we go through the week, but some sunshine in Melbourne, maybe a few showers by Friday. Hello, it looks like the heaviest of the monsoon rainfall over the next few days will become confined generally to northeastern states of India. There's been a number of amber rain warnings around on Sunday for the likes of Himachal Pradesh up towards Assam, Nagaland, Manipur and also Uttarakhand. It's just Uttarakhand which keeps the amber warning as we go into Monday, but still some heavy rain for the likes of Madhya Pradesh and also extending down towards Bangladesh and Myanmar over the next few days. Something much drier further south and west, although still some rain at times for coastal areas of Maharashtra and also into Gujarat as well. Should be a fine day in the Maldives on Monday. Let's head further north, and we've still got this north-south split across Kazakhstan, something cooler, cloudy with some showers at times to the far north. As we head further south, plenty of sunshine, and it's mainly dry. Just a few showers lingering around the border of Afghanistan and into Pakistan. As we head further south, yes, there will be some rain at times for coastal areas of Gujarat and Maharashtra, but head inland, some sunshine, and that sunshine extends down towards Kerala, Karnataka, into Tamil Nadu. A few showers for Sri Lanka on Monday, particularly for the further north that you are, but notice how these blue colours really get going as we head further north and east into Bangladesh and Myanmar. But there should be some breaks in the rain in Mumbai through this week. The sunshine continues in Islamabad, plenty of sunshine in Colombo as well. And actually, here's our city forecast as well for Tashkent. Plenty of sunshine here, but that rain never too far away from New Delhi. Bye-bye. Hello, the forecast for the Middle East coming up in just a moment's time. First to Africa and the bigger picture, the earlier satellite picture. These clumps of cloud giving an indication of where the heaviest rainfall has been in the last 24 hours. Over the next 24 hours, the heaviest of the rain likely to continue to be across more western countries of Africa, through Sierra Leone, Guinea, up into Mali, for example. Also, Cape Verde likely to see some heavy falls of rain. Further south, across the far south of South Africa, a fairly cool, showery feel. That will be slowly extending its way northwards over the next few days. So further rain likely for Cape Town, and temperatures really not much above 14 or 15 Celsius, but the sunshine will return by the end of the week. Looks like Johannesburg will have plenty of sunshine until the end of the week, and then it turns cooler and wetter by Friday. For Khartoum, some rain around on Monday and Tuesday before the sunshine returns, partly cloudy with some spells of sunshine in Casablanca. Across to the Middle East then, where it continues very quiet. Plenty of sunshine, dry, reasonably light winds actually. Temperatures up to around 44 Celsius in Riyadh on Monday afternoon. There's just a small chance that we could just catch a few showers over the higher ground of Yemen and into Saudi Arabia, but most will be dry. And still a fairly noticeable breeze at times, just right on the coast of Oman and Yemen. A little bit further out to sea, it will make things a little bit choppier. So here's our city forecast then. Muscat, plenty of sunshine. The same in Riyadh and Kuwait with some very high temperatures. Bye-bye.